should I get this penny? I should give it to someone. But who? How about my old friend Hobo Jack? Huh? What was that sound? Oh. Oh well. Oh no! There's no penny in there. Maybe I should get another one. Got another one. Beautiful penny. Ah. God, I keep hearing that sound. Huh? Okay, I'm getting sick of that. Grab all my money. Okay, let's go. Hobo Jack? Hobo Jack? Hobo Jack? Hobo Jack? Oh God. Well, he didn't seem really nice today. Goodbye, Hobo Jack!